Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelodge by Wyndham Mansfield. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. RTBs close to Highway Laundry Services Restaurant adjacent to property-free continental breakfast landmarks Malahar Farm State Park 8.6 miles Mid-Ohio West Track 0.4 miles Ohio State University, Mansfield Branch 9 miles dining. Enjoy the convenience of dining at our on-site restaurant that serves Mexican cuisine. Grab a quick bite to eat at Bob Evans Restaurant or Burger King, both within walking distance from our Mansfield, Ohio, hotel. Try Greek specialties at Athens Greek Restaurant, or go to Ed Pickens Cafe on Main for a pleasant lunch. Other restaurants nearby include the Cony Island Diner, Fork and Fingers, and Applebee's. Facilities check-in, early checkout, late directional signage, front desk, hospitality room, housekeeping, ice machine, multilingual staff, restaurant, safe deposit box, vending machines, wake-up calls, meeting rooms. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.